Good morning, Junior 4. I am Miss Fatma Abdulrauf Hamadnallah, and I will be teaching you science this year. I hope you enjoy studying with me. In the last video, we mentioned that organisms live in a habitat, and we learned that there are many types of habitats. We have discussed the polar habitat and the animals and plants that live there. Today, we will talk about another habitat, which is the desert habitat. There are many animals and plants that live in the desert habitat, such as camels, which we all know, the fennec fox, the caracal, and the desert lizard. You might know it. Also known as the agama lizard. There are also some plants like palm trees, cactus plants, and the Barbary fig plant. Okay? Let's start with the first animal, the fennec fox. The fennec fox is similar to another animal called the caracal. Okay? The habitat of them. They both live in hot deserts. Structural adaptation of the fennec fox. 1. They have sandy-colored or tan-colored fur. Why? Or give a reason? To help them hide in the desert using camouflage. It also protects them from the hot sun. 2. They both have long legs. Why? Or give a reason? To run fast in the desert. 3. They both have long ears. Why? Or give a reason? To lose heat easily and cool their bodies. Now let's talk about the behavioral adaptation of the fennec fox. 1. The fennec fox pants like dogs. Why? Or give a reason? To cool its body. 2. The fennec fox lives in burrows. Why? Or give a reason? To stay cool in the hot desert. 3. The fennec fox eats any kind of food. Why? Or give a reason? Because it's difficult to find food in the desert. Now, I need you to make a little comparison between the fennec fox and the Arctic fox that we discussed in the last video, okay? I need you to tell me that. What is their habitat? What is the color of their fur? What do their ears look like? And how does the fennec fox cool its body? And how does the Arctic fox stay warm? Please send me your answers on Telegram or write a comment. But now, let's talk about another animal that lives in the desert, which is the agama lizard. What is the meaning of lizard? 1. Lizards are reptiles that are an ancient type of animal found all over the world in different environments. 2. The bodies of reptiles are covered with scales. Okay? Let's talk about agama lizard. The habitat of the agama lizard. It lives in hot deserts. The structural adaptation of the agama lizard. Agama lizards have colored scales. Why? Or give a reason? To hide among rocks using camouflage. The behavioral adaptation of the agama lizard. Agama lizards look for shaded areas. Why? Or give a reason? To keep their body temperature regulated. Now let's talk about some plants that live in the desert, such as palm trees. Structural adaptation of the palm tree. 1. It is covered by a waxy layer. Why? Or give a reason. To protect it from the extreme heat of the climate. 2. It has a very long trunk. Why? Or give a reason? To store the food and water needed for growth. It has thick roots and small leaves. Why? To anchor the tree in the soil during strong winds and to resist the wind. There is another plant that grows in the desert, which is Barbary fig, that is similar to cactus plant. Okay? The structural adaptation of the Barbary fig plant. It has sharp spines. Why? Or give a reason? To prevent animals from eating its leaves and fruits. That's all for today. In our next video, we will continue our lesson. To stay updated, please like, subscribe, and share this channel. Goodbye.